everyone, welcome back to my channel. Alright, guess what? I'm going to show you this little shaggy style. This is by Ellen Wille and I'm sharing this for Wig Studio One. This is part of their hair power collection and this style is called Casino More. The color is sandy, blonde, rooted. Now, of course, with this color, you have your dark rooting, as you can see. And then you have a blend of three gorgeous colors. The first color is a pretty golden blonde. And then you have a light ash blonde. And then your last color in this blend is your lightest reddish brown. You do have warmth because of that lightest reddish brown and the golden blonde, but then you have that mixture of ash. A very, very pretty mixture of colors. Now you do have the option to get sandy, blonde, rooted in a non-rooted version, so do remember that. I do like the rooting in this. Now this style definitely screams shag, am I right? You have your flippy layers, you have your face framing layers, you have little short bangs, you can side sweep them. She's all over the place. I think you can have a lot of fun with this wig though. The fibers feel really soft, really light, and so I think it has a natural look because of the lighter density and the soft, fine fibers. And then of course you have your gorgeous lace front and a monofilament part. I'm actually going to show you guys a full turnaround of this wig. I think this wig is cute tucked behind the ears. I think it would be cute if you decided to cut a little bang in her. I think it's cute pulled off of the face, twisted, add some volume, however you'd like to do that. Another thing that would be really, really cute is to grab some of your bio hair if it kind of matches, which my bio hair matches that rooting pretty well. You could do some side swept bangs, grab the hair, pull it half up, and then have this bottom layer flip out. And then I think that makes the whole look go from shag to almost more of a fancy out to dinner look. What do you guys think? So still quite a lot of options, even though she has kind of a fun, funky shag look. So Casino More by Ellen Wille is your very texturized, mid-length shag style. You have your wispy side swept bang, and you have a lot of fun face framing layers. Let's take off this cap and show you guys the inside of the cap construction. You have your ready to wear hand-tied lace front, and you're also hand-tied monofilament part. And then you have your open wefted back, velvet ear tabs, and a velvet nape with adjustable straps. Now do take note that Ellen Wille does run petite to average in size. I usually wear an average size cap in most wigs. For instance, like John Renault fits me like a glove. And Ellen Wille, especially this hair power collection, is slightly snug on my head. Alright you guys, here is Casino More by Ellen Wille. I think she's cute. I think she has a lot of potential, a lot of fun styling ability. I like the lace front, I like the mono part. I think all the layering is actually really cute, super cute and lightweight for tucking behind the ears. There are some wigs that are so bulky and so dense. You tuck it behind the ear and then your ear goes like this. Hi! Not this one. Nice and light for ear tucking if you are an ear tucker, and really cute if you want to pull it up on the sides. Adorable. Couple clips. You could tame down that shag, make it look more flipped out, ruffle it up, have it look super shag, kind of cray-cray looking. Rocker, I like it. You guys, you can get 30% off over at Wig Studio One using the code FABFRINGE30. Go check out their private Facebook group. Also check out their Facebook page and their Instagram. Check out my Instagram as well. I'm there often and daily, posting inspirational quotes, my thoughts and my feels. So, you know, I'm over there if you want to message me. I'm there more often than the messages here, as much as I love YouTube. I love sharing these videos, but I admit sometimes it takes me a minute to get to all my messages here and the comments and stuff. It's just the juggle. The juggle is real. I have little humans just hanging on me, so that kind of takes me away from things. But anyway, if you guys have any questions, you can comment below. You can contact customer service over at Wig Studio One. They're great. They have fantastic customer service. They're really accommodating. I'll have all the links to everything below. I think I already said that. And thanks so much for watching, you guys. It's super late. I'm going to hit the hay, and you don't need to know that in this review. That has nothing to do with the review. So I'm going to let you go. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I think you guys are fantastic. I'll see you later. Bye.